Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of this advice. We're building this app here, trying to build an app like this, or interface like this rather. So as advised from the previous video, I said I'm going to show you how to make a certain page to appear when you press any of these buttons. So basically, let's start with the home button first. I'm not going to create a page because on native apps on Bubble, it's not like a page, rather it's a group which will appear when you press a certain thing, and then once that group is appearing, the rest of the other groups will be invisible, but it gives you that feel of you went to a different page, but necessarily you're not. I think that's what makes app a bit faster than browsers, because when that app loads, everything else is there. It's just that it's invisible. So yeah, let me just quickly add a group here. Right, I'll make this group change color, and now so that it will be able to see which group is this. So let's see, background color, let's say this one can be the home page. So how about red? Yeah, I think red is fine. Home page is red. Okay, cool. The home page is red. I'll make it column is fine. Fit to the other side, and then the height, and tick this one as well. So the height will be that, like the full page will be the home page. So this is the first one. 80 is this the group. Let me rename it. Sorry, rename it to home, and then copy, paste. So me paste 4 times. Why is it? Oh, I made a mistake. I put it inside the floating. It's fine. I'll change it. Home to, okay, let me put it outside. It needs to be outside the floating. So I'm just dragging this groups outside, so that, yeah. So there's home. The second one, if we can go here, this is deals chart lists accounts. So I'm going to create each of those deals. Cut. Lists, wish lists, account. Yeah, cool. We have 5 of those groups. Home is red, so deals, let's change it to be, I feel like it deals blue, right? Deals blue. Chat, let's go green, where you pay, you give these guys money. Green is money. List feels like a yellow. Account feels like a more of a purple. Cool. Here you go. All of them are there, but we don't want all of these to appear at the same time. So yeah, all of this needs to be off. In terms of when we go to this element, when the page loads, it needs to be off. Also the list needs to be off, the chart needs to be off, the deals needs to be off as well. So let's only leave the home to be on when the page opens. We might change it later, but for now it needs to be on. so that it won't be blank when the page or the app loads. So yeah, they are all having different colors. Let's just double check here. Yeah, okay. So if you can notice, if you see here, there's this white space. The reason why we have this white space is because I didn't collapse them. So let's go to home itself, meaning that when it's not showing, it needs to collapse. It shouldn't leave any space to show or a mark that is supposed to be there. Let's go to deals, collapse when hidden. So meaning that when it's hidden, it will like collapse and disappear, and it won't show a sign that there is an element there which is hidden. Okay, I think that's everything. Refresh. Yeah, there it is. We're seeing home now. So yeah, let's go to, let me just double check if everything is in order. Yeah, everything is fine. So now we are going to change those buttons. So let me hide this so that the button will come. So here's the first group, this one, which is home. I should have named it something like group button home, but sake of time, let me not do that. But when this is pressed, I need this to show, and the rest to 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 be like to be invisible. So the first one, I'm going to add workflow, and that workflow I will say show element action show. So every time when I press it, I will show home, right? That's cool. But also every time when I press it, it should hide. I will hide account. I will hide. I will hide chat. I will hide what else? Deals. I will hide list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. I'll show this and hide this. Right. That's when that first button is clicked, and then when this button is clicked, which is the deals one, similar thing. I hope I'll find an app to fast forward this so that you don't have to sit and watch me do the show and hides for all these buttons. But let me just do two buttons. So that one is deals. Um, so it's going to show deals, and then okay, let me just try to copy. I'll hide account, copy. I'll hide chart. I'll hide list. I'll hide home. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. So cool. Let's test this. We only have made two buttons. So okay, home obviously same button, but when you go to deals, it changes. Now we're in deals. So this look nice. Home, deals, home, deals. And this is nice. Going somewhere. So let's see when we select. Oh, sorry. Let's go back and go to this particular group, this one, which is the chart. So obviously when we select chart, it should show us the chart. Guys, let's just hope I find an app when I'm editing this to fast forward, so I don't have to sit through all this. But I'll try to move as fast as I can. It needs to hide that. Let me try. Okay, hide account, hide list. Hope I'm not confusing you guys when I'm doing this. Hide home. Hide what? So chart, yes. Account list, deals. You need to hide deals as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's fine. It's cool. Let's go to number 4, which is the list. So when I click list, obviously it needs to show me the list page or list group. This one. And then it hides the rest. Hide. Oh, internet, what's going on, guys? My internet is getting weak. I'm actually on mobile internet right now. So service provider service is not that strong. If you're in South Africa, it's Telkom. So hey, if you're in South Africa, you know Telkom is not very strong in many locations. Oh, I hope it don't crash anything. See, timeout. Okay, what is the last one? Okay, there's account, chat, home. Okay, list, deals, hide deals. I kind of like hoping this is it's recording everything which I'm doing, but if it's not, you see what eventually is going to, the idea. Okay, let's see. There's the last one, which is accounts. Needs to show the account. Okay, let me see if it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me copy chart, paste. Do I really need the fast forward app, guys? If you're hearing me, meaning that I didn't get the fast forward app. Sorry, man. I was just trying to publish this video as fast as I can, because tomorrow I have a lot of work to do. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Which one is missing? Which one is missing? List is missing. Copy, hide list. Okay, cool, man. Yeah, man. All right, so let's see. Test home, obviously. Then okay, home, deals, yeah. Chat, yeah. List, nothing. Okay, list, we missed it. Let's go to account, yeah. Okay, so as you can see, it's not duplicating, it's not showing many at the same time, but this is what's going to happen. The changing of colors mean that it's the changing of the pages. List is the one, if you can see, when I click, nothing happens, but I think it's because of show account, show group list. Is it list? Yeah, show group list. Okay, let's see. Show home, show deals, show chart, show list. Why is list? Show list. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Show account, hide list. uh, where did I go wrong here? There is somewhere which I missed something. Let me see. Okay, let me go back to, okay, this is list. When it's clicked, you need to show group list. Let me go back to the naming there to see group list. Here it is. Let me see. Oh, everything is fine again, guys. I think it's the timeout which is giving me these issues. Let's see. Yeah, because when I was working on this one, it gave me that timeout. So yeah, I'm over 15 minutes, guys. On the